In this video, we're going to talk about the buyback and burns announced by Tyrell for TCAT and TSE and exactly what that means. And then we're going to go over some technical analysis for TCAT and TSE as well. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So Tyrell mentioned today in his Telegram, how much of the profits from the bot should we use for buyback and burns / staking? Now, to tune everyone in, basically Tyrell, the CryptoKing, he has a Telegram with over 17,000 subscribers. So if you're not following him, definitely do so. Post a link in the description and pinned in the comments. But basically he's making a bot, and all the profit generated from that bot is going to be used to buy back and burn the tokens and also provide rewards to the stakers. So you can see here we have a poll. Really the top ones are 80% and 100%. Now people ask, what is burning? Is that bullish or bearish for a coin? So let's go over this article here by cryptoforbeginners.org. It says burning crypto means permanently removing a number of tokens from circulation. The motivation is often to increase the value of the remaining tokens, since assets tend to rise in price whenever the circulating supply falls and they become more scarce. Burning tokens can also benefit those staking tokens to validate transactions in a proof-of-stake protocol. When a large chunk of tokens are removed from circulation, there's a likely chance they'll receive a higher US dollar value from their staking rewards. So let's look at what that means. So if you look at the supply of TCAT, currently it's just under 1 billion. Now, whenever Tyrell ends up buying back and burning those tokens, one, the buyback is going to increase the price of the token, but then burning those tokens is going to take the max supply out of circulation. So you can see here this 988 million is actually going to go down. And what that means is the tokens are going to be more scarce. Thus, if we're using, traditional economics, if supply decreases and demand increases, then you have a net increase in price. And that's what we're going to see. Burning tokens makes a token deflationary and also causes the token to rise in price over time. So we're going to see that with TCAT and TON season. So this is very bullish, and it's just one of the many catalysts that Tyrell is doing for the tokens to help the price as well as help grow the community and instill trust in the community that shows he is actually fully committed to this project and willing to take his revenue from the bot, his profit from the bot, and actually use that to buy back and burn tokens as well as staking tokens, giving rewards to those stakers, which again, for people who are staking tokens, that's also good because one, people have their tokens locked, so it helps prevent selling pressure, as well as those stakers are getting rewards. So again, it's taking more of that supply out of the open market and either burning the tokens through buyback and burns, or those tokens are being staked and those stakers are getting rewarded through TON or other means. So again, this is very bullish, and these are two catalysts. Again, out of many, he's going to have vlogs, which is actually going to be part of his 22,000 subscribers. And so those people are going to get more exposure to his vlogs in the background of TCAT and TSE and the whole project in general. So again, it's very bullish, and another reason why I continue to remain net bullish on TCAT and TSE. As well as that, TCAT recently got verified on Twitter, so that's another good thing to see. So again, the team is constantly helping to grow any way they can and increase that reputation. Now let's go ahead and look at the TCAT price. So everyone was panicking when they saw the price declining. Now again, I've been in crypto for 7 years, so this is nothing new, especially when you have a meme coin that goes up 7,000x in the span of a couple weeks, and that's what we saw. And then we had a normal pullback. Now, something I want to look at is I like to look at RSI because it gives me a really good indication of where the current price action is and how people are feeling for the token. So you can see here, we do have a descending wedge that last time it broke out, it went from 1.2 cents all the way to a high of 2.7 cents. So I believe we could see something like that very soon. And you can see right here, we have this descending wedge on the RSI as well. So again, very bullish patterns here. We can see that people bought the strong support level of 009. So people are watching these levels. And again, we are consistently making these higher highs here, looking at the last wick down to 0068, and now that wick went down to 0076. So people are constantly buying higher, as well as the TON eco. Again, the whole ecosystem has had a pullback, as you can see on the trending coins, but that's only because the attention went to Solana because of the Solana ETF, and then as well as fundamental coins from the recent bullishness in the market. So the attention will come back to the TON ecosystem, and drawing these patterns and these support levels is something that helps to solidify that and these bullish patterns that are continuing to form. So if you're looking at DCA, some good levels here, 0093 and also 0069. These are very, very good levels and ones that I believe will continue to hold strongly as the TON ecosystem and TCAT continues to gain traction. Now, looking at TSE for ton season, you can see here that the RSI has formed a double bottom as price went lower. So this is a bullish divergence here. Again, RSI maintaining those lows while price declines. So eventually this does end up coming to the upside. So you have good support at 002, also 0015, which it nearly did wick down to. So again, these are very, very good levels to buy, in my opinion, from a risk reward perspective, because when that volume comes back, when these bots go online, when you have more vlogs, more spaces, and more influencers and people coming on board, you're going to see these tokens get snapped up really, really quick. So keep that in mind. Again, it's easy for people to panic during times like these, but I've been in crypto for a while, so I know this is just normal. This is just a pattern of accumulation, consolidation, distribution, and then continuing that process. So now I believe we're in the process of accumulation. As more people start to get into these low prices, and eventually we will see it continue to rise higher. So just think about how much we've risen over the past few weeks, and this pullback is really healthy. RSI is more than reset now, basically like a launch pad, ready to go back to the upside. So would not surprise me to see us continue up higher from here over the next few weeks, especially as more of these updates come out. So again, guys, if you're not following Tyrell, his Twitter is at thecryptoking_, and then also you have his Telegram, which is linked here in his Twitter, as well as in my description and pinned in the comments as well. So stay up to date here. He also has another chat about his bot and the updates on that as well. So a lot of big news coming down the line. Again, I want to keep people informed about exactly what burning is so people understand that, as well as the updates coming after that. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like. Please comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all my subscribers. Until next time, thanks for watching.